Hello and welcome to Vladimir Vulture. And here he is right here. He is a perfect specimen of a vulture. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Vladimir Vulture is afraid of no one. He flies in and scares off lions that have just killed water buffalo. Wow, that's pretty brave, right? Hey, last month, lions have killed 3 water buffaloes. That's 3 big buffalo, right? Altogether, the buffaloes weighed 924 pounds. Let's just write that down. 924 pounds of water buffalo meat. Now, Vladimir Vulture flew in and ate 0.08 of the total water buffalo meat. Let's write that down. 0.078. In other words, this is your tens column, hundreds, thousands. So he ate 78 thousandths of the 924 pounds of water buffalo meat. And your question is, how much water buffalo meat did Vladimir eat? Well, my friends, this is a multiplication problem. We're multiplying 924 by 0.078. And without further ado, let's get on started. First thing I always like to do is write my counting by the numbers. So I took the smaller number. Even though this has 3 digits, I'm not really needing to worry about that 0. So I've just got the 7 and the 8 here. So I've got my 7s and my 8s written, and now I'm ready to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is move this over so I have plenty of room and write 924 right there. And then I'm going to create 2 area boxes. I'll get one right here. Bam, superb. And then I'm going to put another one right below it. Bam, superb. All right, yeah, I know, I like to say that. All right, so then I'm going to take the 0.078 and break it into, first, watch, I'll do this right here, 0.008, okay? And so I took just the 0.0, and I put a 0 there, and then I got the 8 here, so 008, right? Now I'm going to do 0.070, and let's do that right here, 0.070. And now I'm ready to rock and roll and multiply these 2 area boxes to solve this problem. Let's make this bigger so I have a little bit more room. Oh, wait a minute. I do need to be able to see my counting by the numbers, right? So we'll make it as big as we can without losing those counting by the numbers. All right, here we go. So 8 times 924. I'm going to start with 8 times 4. And once again, if you don't know your multiplication facts, bam, counting by the numbers is a great suggestion. All right, here we go. 4 places. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 32. I'm going to drop the 2 and carry the 3. So I'll drop the 2 right there, carry my 3 right there. Superb. Next, 8 times 2. Well, 1, 2 gives me 16, plus 3 is going to give me 19. So I'm going to drop my 9 and carry my 1 right up. Ooh, that 1 was not, there it is. All right, and then I've got 8 times 9. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 72, plus this 1 will give me 73. So I'm going to drop the 3 and the 7, and now I'm ready to rock and roll and move down here, right? So now first thing I'm going to do is multiply by 0. 0 times 924 is, of course, 0, because anything you multiply by 0 is 0, right? That's super simple. All right, next, you can think of this 0 as just holding the place value for, in this case, it'd be the tens, hundredths, and thousandths place, right? Because the 8 already took care of that. So this place value holder is holding that. Now, let's move on. 7 times 4. Going to come down here to the 7s. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 28. I'm going to drop the 8 and carry the 2 right there. Superb, my friend. Next, 7 times 2. I got 1, 2, 14, plus this 2 is going to give me 16. I'm going to circle it, drop the 6, and carry the 1 right up there. Superb, my friend. Next, 7 times 9. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 63. Plus this one here is going to give me 64. I'm going to drop the 4 and the 6, and bam! I'm all done with all my multiplication. Now I can just add these bad boys up and then count my loopy-doops. Superb! All right, so let's do the addition here. And first of all, I got 2 and Norton is going to give me 2. And then I've got 9 plus 8 is going to give me 17. I'm going to drop the 7, carry the 1. And right here I've got 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is going to give me 10. I'll drop the 0 and carry the 1 right there. Superb! And then I've got 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 4 is going to give me 12. So I'll drop the 2 and carry the 1 right there. And lastly, I've got 1 plus 6, which will give me 7. Bam! There you have it, my friends. Now all I have left to do is to count my loopy-doops. Now, as you notice, there's no loopy-doops to count here because I don't have a decimal here. This is a whole number, right? But down here, I got loopy-doops to count, and I use the word loopy-doop. You know it by now because the word is just goofy enough that you will remember it. Superb. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Remember, you start over here on the far right, and you go 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, 3 loopy-doop. Bam! That is what you got. Right? So now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to count my loopy-doops starting from the far right. 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, 3 loopy-doop, and that's exactly where your decimal is going to go. So your answer is 72.072 or 72 and 72 1,000ths because this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths place, right? So 72 and 72 1,000ths. And when we're talking about this answer actually is referring to the amount of pounds of meat that Vladimir has eaten. So he's eaten over 72 pounds, and guess what? That's a whole lot of meat, my friends. But hey, he's a pretty big vulture, so I guess that's all good, right? Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.